Alright, this is the elevator here at Mall Plaza Lincoln in Monterrey, Mexico. We have an Otis Gen2. And this is the parking elevator. Right there are the escalators. And there's your view outside. And here it is. Let's point that down. Alright, this is glass. And it was installed in 2016. Now, the parking level, the bot took a while to respond. Here at the parking level, also S, up to PV. Let's look out here. Here at PV, let's go for another ride.
¿Usted no había bajado?
Sí, ando. No, right.
Ah, probándolo.
Sí.
Ah, no puedo subirme los.
Sí,
Ah.
no pasa nada. Ten buen día.
Gracias, igual.
Alright, okay, alright, up to PV line there. Your nice Otis Gen2 elevator. Here are your fixtures and the indicator, and here back at PV. What should go out? There's your Otis nameplate. Should close up. There it goes, and that's it.